Hello guys, Pontiac Firebird. I want you to make a little guide how to put the aftermarket steering wheel. I won't explain you how to take the original one. It's very simple and easy. When you take it off, you will see this one, clock spring. All videos on YouTube shows you how to replace the original for aftermarket, but no one mentioned what to do the spring clock spring. Clock spring don't need to stay here. Take it out. Cut the wire for the multifunction steering wheel if you have. Cut the wire for the airbag. I put 3.9 ohm resistor to put the airbag lights off. You see? Off. If you put less, the lights will be on. So take the application 2401, not 2400, it won't fit. Put it on. There is the steering wheel. Connect the wire. Remember, this part of the steering column is rotating together with the steering wheel, so the horn plug will be rotating together. It's nothing won't be damaged. So application on, horn, steering wheel. So on the end of the story, I put the steering wheel on. Put the horn. Connect just that one wire. I was connected 2 wires, but it doesn't need it. Install the horn. Yeah, look. BB working good. Start the engine. Turn the steering wheel. Any position. BB working. Hoo-hoo-hoo! So if you want this steering wheel, you can have one. If you want another with the suit, you can put this one. No problem. 2. You have a mood for this? Fine. You have a mood for this? Fine. I bought this one because I will have so many Alcantara around, and a hair and a new red seats. So probably this wheel will be more suitable. Probably not, but I like this one as well. So thank you very much and good luck.